Okay, so tonight we're going to do NightCafe Studio to compare AI art styles. So we're going to use NightCafe, nightcafe.studio. It's a really cool website. It's a really cool way to generate images from a text prompt. So I've done a bunch of these. This one was pretty good. Let's see, what other ones have I done? I got some credits to use, so let's see. Yeah, I like that one a lot. Stellar Cosmic Fountain. Okay, are we live? Yeah. I'm gonna post this in my Discord. And I'll put it in here too. Here. So it's on topic this time. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so I thought up a list of styles. So hyper-realistic, film noir, Polaroid photograph, bokeh, I'm probably saying that wrong, Alex Gray, Bob Ross, MC Escher, Vincent van Gogh, Da Vinci, Renaissance painting, Kincaid, Picasso. So I'm going to do Divine Fountain in all those styles, and then I'm going to do Forest Ritual of the Witches in the same styles. So we might as well just get started. I'm going to do square, big, full-size picture, and artistic style. So let's go. So style transfer is cool, but we're not doing that. And we're doing artistic this time. I actually like coherent more, but I think artistic makes more sense for this. So let's get going. And okay, we can put something in here. Let's put my lucky number in there, and we'll use that every time. Okay. Oh, it's 5 credits. Okay. So, what do we do here? They changed how many credits it is, so I gotta do math. So we got 40 credits per run. Divided by 5, so hard to do it on the stream. So we can do 8 of each one. Okay. So we gotta find the 8 that we like the most. Well, me, because actually that reminds me I should get the chat, just in case someone shows up and talks. Last time someone showed up and they I didn't notice that they were talking. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so we're gonna pick 8. We're gonna get rid of these 2. Actually, let's just get rid of these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since that's kind of irrelevant, okay, now we gotta get rid of 1 more. And we'll get rid of that one. Okay. Oh wait, did I get rid of too many? Yeah, I did. Okay, we'll just do Renaissance painting. Okay, that's our list that we're going to use now, because they decided to change it. So that was only 3 credits. Maybe it's because, oh, that's why. I'm used to doing coherent. Okay, we're still going to do it this way. So there's our first one, and we're not doing that. Alright, let's get the show on the road. Okay. What? Oh yeah. Well. Okay, is that right? Yeah. 5 credits, wow. Okay. Well, I guess it's good that I like the cheaper one more. That's not even that big of a picture, and it's 5 credits. It's not even 1,000 pixels. Alright. Okay. It's starting to make that one, but let's just keep going. DaVinci coming up. Ooh, that's a good random number, but we're not using them. Okay. This one might be cool. Hope it doesn't matter that I didn't capitalize things. Okay, last one of the Divine Fountains by Picasso. I wonder how this one's going to come out. Picasso actually could make realistic stuff too, but I think it'll probably do something abstract, because that's what Picasso's known for. I saw one of his like realistic drawings and it was so good. I was like, I didn't know Picasso could actually draw stuff that looked real. Realistic-ish. Okay, so the Alex Gray one is done. Yeah, it's pretty much what I expected. It's alright. I don't like it that much because the fountain is just kind of... it's too similar to like everything else going on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and I could have got more credits, but by sharing them. Whatever, that's fine, that's enough. This one is cool. The Bob Ross one is good, of course. But yeah, it's not really a fountain like you'd find it like a fancy fountain with birds in it. It's more like a landscape fountain, like a spring. That's pretty cool. I like that one a lot. Okay. Yeah, I love that one. That one's awesome. MC Escher. So it did sort of one of his nicer impressionist things. Yeah, it's a good one too. I like a lot of these. I think the first one might have been the worst one. Because everything Alex Gray does already looks like a divine fountain, if we're gonna be honest. Kinda looks like a lipstick. Or something. Anyway, that's cool. So I wonder how it would have turned out if we did the clip, the coherent style. Compared to this, I guess there's only one way to know, is to do it again. I like that one. The faces are always a mess in these pictures. They're always so terrifying. Anyway, it's a good one too. They're all good. I thought this one would be good, and it was pretty great. It was kind of sad that people were so like judgmental towards Kincaid, because he had a cool style and talent. Is this done? That's a typical comment for a Picasso painting. Is this done? Seems like it's only halfway painted. Anyway. So the first and the last one were my least favorites, that's funny. But the rest were pretty sweet. Let's go to my profile so we can get a better look. I think that, yeah. So that one's really cool. It was alright, other than the faces. That one's okay. This one's good. So is this one. Yeah, if you're not on the Discord, you should join the Discord. And this one's really good. And meh. Okay, so that's our first style comparison. I had a bunch more styles, but I thought it'd be funner if we changed the subject midway. So now we're going with our Forest Ritual of the Witches. I just thought, I always like the way this turns out whenever I've tried it, and I think it'll be cool to see how the different styles draw the forest, and the Ritual of the Witches, of course. So we'll just do that. It is a witch's ritual after all, so yeah, we're good to go. Okay. Not much to say, just plug in these prompts in. Burning through these credits super fast. So there's a lot of other things you can do here. You can make animated ones, you can make different styles, you can make tall pictures and wide pictures. And that's about it actually. There's style transfer too. So style transfers are cool. So where are we? Vincent? Okay. Vincent. This might be cool. Oops, I'm so used to pressing that. I do that almost every time. just stop myself from pressing that button every single time so far. Alright, they're not done yet. Never judge a painting before it's done. That's the worst. No. That's not how it's gonna look. Although with these, once you get a few frames into the iteration, oops, you kind of know what it's gonna look like. Alright, yeah, pay attention. Let's painting. Okay, and our last one, Picasso. Okay, I'll be right back, like 1 minute while this runs. Alright, are they done yet? Looks like they're almost done. Okay, let's start looking at them. So the Alex Gray one, I like this one a lot more than last time, than the Divine Fountain. Okay, I guess that's the Witch, and that's another one, but it's kind of hard to tell. It goes real abstract with Alex Gray. Okay, Bob Ross. He's not really known for drawing like figures, like people, but I do like this one. Okay. MC Escher, this might be cool. Oh, it did the same kind of thing, I guess. Whatever. Triangle. And the witches with their purple cloaks. Alright. Mist. Vincent. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. That's so cool. You can really see their magic. The yellow stuff. That's how I interpret that. Yeah, I like this one. It almost looks better, like minimized, like shrunken down. Okay. Da Vinci. I like this one a lot more than the Divine Fountain. There's a lot of witches in this one, or something. Looks like a bunch of guys with like animal outfits or totem masks. And I like how Da Vinci stuff has, it's like it's a sketch on parchment. Come on, you can do it. I'm gonna turn off my phone so it doesn't slow it. Okay. Renaissance painting, so kind of similar to the last one. That makes sense. Oh, it's like the back of someone's head here. That's not really like a Renaissance painting, but it is cool. They wouldn't have composed a picture like this, but whatever. Sun's turn it down a bit. Okay, almost done. Thomas Kincaid. So he wasn't known for drawing figures either. Probably because people are so hard to draw or paint or whatever. So he just wouldn't do that. But I could be completely wrong. Maybe he has a bunch of paintings with people in it. I just don't know. So yeah, this one kind of sucks. But maybe I just don't like Picasso. Or I don't like the AI's interpretation of Picasso. Okay, so we got all our pictures done. I feel like it's, oh yeah, it's an odd number because that's the row is an odd number. Okay. Alright, so that's that. This is a little bit of a shorter one. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah. At the end here, I thought I would have a bunch of leftover credits, but I only have 5. But that's fine. So I'll show you guys, in case you missed it on my last stream, how I come up with prompts for some of my creations. Not all of them, but a lot of them. I like to come up with just a ton of prompts and just like, you know, scattershot style approach. Just make a ton of stuff and see what works. So I've downloaded all the ones I really like that I made over time. So I'm gonna get a list of that. A list of files ordered by time in reverse order. So yeah, the ones I just got are at the bottom this way. So I'm gonna grab a few of these, like 10-ish. And I'm gonna go to textsynth.com. So I showed this on a previous stream. Just go to my channel and go to look at the TextSynth one. And I have a whole stream where I go on NightCafe and I think I made all of these ones on stream. I could be remembering wrong, but anyways, I made a bunch of stuff on NightCafe on that stream, the TextSynth driven AI stream on my channel. So anyway, so we got the model here, the good one. We're gonna put our file names in. I'm just gonna add like a 2 to these. Fine, just turn it up a little bit helps. Okay, so this line is way too long, it's messing with it. Let's get rid of that. Alright, so we only have enough for one generation, so I'll just find something I really like. And let's see, was there anyone in chat? Put in my own stream on stream. This is getting meta. So I gotta come here. No, okay, good. Well, not good, but you know, at least I didn't miss anything. So you put your list in. Turn this up a tiny bit if you want, you don't have to. Just hit generate. And then come down here and you get a whole list of new ideas. So we got enough for one. I don't know. Which ones do you like? Feel free to use these if you see something you like here. I'm gonna go with... Let's just see what happens here. So we're going to grab that. And we're going to do the same sort of thing. We'll go with that. We'll go with that just to keep it all consistent. Alright, last creation for the night. I guess I kind of messed up by not realizing how many credits it cost, but I think it worked out pretty good. Let's see, which one is my favorite? Probably this one. I do like this one and this one. And then this one. Hopefully I don't crash by opening all these tabs. I think what's this one? And this one. Okay, and yeah, this one. Number one favorite is this one. How many can you post at once at free? Oh man. I haven't been in that server for a minute. So if you get a creation you really like, come in here, the NightCafe Discord, and post it in NC creation links. So it's a pretty cool server. People post really neat stuff. This guy's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna post this. That's my favorite one. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Oops. Is this the wrong size? Oh, you know, nobody's perfect. You have to give me that the wrong size. Maybe not. No, they're all that size. Okay, I was worried for a second. And this is almost done. Let's see what it thought. Let's see what it thought. It's not done yet. So, let me show the progress. And it's got real abstract with it. It's gotta be done soon. Okay. So yeah, like the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And let's see. It's very abstract. It reminds me of the milk dot visual right here. Or the milk, whatever it was called, visual on Winamp. Alright. So yeah, visit me on NightCafe. Diggy. Yeah, join my Discord. Join the NightCafe Discord.